Ah! I need help, Kayla. She's like, I'm finally clean. Girl, what happened?
Yeah, it does.
Fact of the day. Slime is weak to mouthwash. Hey everyone, welcome to Sabines Best Friend. And today, we are going to do the 1 gallon challenge with Kayla.
1 gallon what challenge?
1 gallon of slime challenge.
So what do we have here to do that?
Slime,
Activator.
Activator,
Shaving cream.
and
Food dye.
shaving cream,
Food dye.
and food dye in the distance.
what kind of food, what color food dye do you want?
Blue.
You want blue.
Blue.
We're gonna make teal with blue. We're gonna need green too.
Well, cool. So let's get started. What's to do first?
Take this
Have you
out.
guys made slime before?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but I've only seen it on shows. So we're gonna have to open it. Open it.
Take it out right here.
Take it out first.
And then
open it.
it.
We're gonna need some help pouring this.
Ugh. Help me. Squeeze it. Ugh.
You guys are good?
This is already a lot of slime.
Next.
Next. Okay.
No.
Activator?
No.
No?
Yeah?
No.
So then you can activate the slime and then put the food dye in.
No,
and
you're
that.
supposed to put the food dye next.
Okay, we
So-
can do
so
that.
it- so
it
it
doesn't
makes it
matter which
better.
way you do it, but it's supposed to do it. That.
We're gonna need green and blue.
green and blue.
One,
1, 2, 3.
There we go. Now, let's mix this up. And if
Hold on.
if it's not good
Hold
enough,
on.
we'll add one.
Let me get my.
Both of us will
shirt
add
on.
1 more dot.
Okay, which?
3, 2,
2, 1. Ooh.
Oh, it's
Oh,
actually
it's-
super pretty.
yeah. Get it right there. I
Look
love
at this
this.
color. It's pretty. I wish you could see how it really looks like in person.
Yep.
Guys.
Okay, I think we might have got the perfect tail.
Yeah. Like,
Blue. Maybe.
okay.
Sabine!
Can we have a napkin? You hold that. I'll go get something. Do not try this at home.
Unless you have adult supervision. Okay. Fixed it.
We had some technical
difficulties. Cheer up. Right there. Okay.
Can I do the green this time?
Yes.
Man, it's good with the... I'm new at this slime stuff.
I'm not.
You guys are the slime professionals.
Yes.
I've been watching YouTube videos about it. 3, 2, 1.
We just need to mix it in a bit more.
And then we're done, right?
Yeah, then activator. Hey.
My bubble, my bubble, my bubble, my bubble, my bubble, my bubble. right, bubble. My bubble.
Okay, I think we've mixed it in. Okay, we.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's both pour it.
Go, go, go.
Okay, stop.
Let's start with that.
Yeah, and if it needs more, we'll put more.
Ah, it's
It looks weird.
like clear slime.
Oh, you can already feel it turning into slime.
Oh yeah.
I think we might have added the perfect amount. Okay, this is not slime at all yet.
I know. It's still gloopy.
Um,
Just put like half the bottle in, okay? I'll mix while you do that. That's enough for it.
Okay, now let me mix with you.
It's actually getting super thick.
Yeah.
It's like thick slime.
This is gonna be fluffy slime because we're adding the shaving cream.
Yeah, but we're gonna play with it before we put the shaving cream in, right? Kayla?
Yeah. So then
It's like 6
So then-
slime right now.
we know if we like it.
Yeah, we do need more.
Activator more.
Activator number
3.
3? No, 4.
I think
enough.
activator smells like grapes.
Yeah, it actually does smell like grapes.
Yeah, it does.
It does. Right here it is. Looks like a brain.
A zombie would like this slime.
Scoop it from out of the corners, and then it'll go there, and it's mixing itself. The middle of the fingers.
Ah,
I thought I saw a bubble.
I think we need more activator.
It's gonna make it even thicker. Why does this piece feel so good?
Ooh,
Dude.
I'm actually making it into slime.
If you do this, it's going extra good.
What, this is small pieces compared to this big old slime.
Ah!
Yeah, I'm not getting the glue off.
After let's make once it's done, let's make like a bubble. Ah!
This is
It's extra cold, actually, right?
yeah.
Why my wrist?
Oh, I found there's activator on the sides. Get it?
Oh yeah, it's very slippery on the sides.
Thank you. So,
I'm a cheetah.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so we can keep having more fun adventures together.
I need help, Kayla. She's like, I'm finally clean. Girl, what happened?
That was you. You farted.
I'm sorry for the people with headphones on. We are so sorry.
there we go.
Wait, let's make a bubble real quick.
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try.
Wait, I had an idea. I got an idea. Dad, can you give me a plastic straw?
Biggest one.
Aw. Oh.
This was a good idea.
What's a spaceship? What?
I've never played with the slime this big.
And
Wait, we're gonna.
2, 1. If you make slime, put shaving cream in it and just put your hand in it. It feels very nice, actually. Yeah, shaving cream.
I'm glad we added shaving cream, and this will make the slime fluffier and bigger.
Roll it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just saw the bottom.
Wow.
If you
Let's mix ours so then it will mix better. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll help you.
Thank you. How good is this way?
Here, I'll do
Well,
it
that
on my
actually worked a lot. Oh, I can finally see my palm.
This is what it's gonna look like when it's all done.
Yeah.
It's like a tinier version of it. I think we've got it all mixed in.
Should we get more?
Or what?
Shaving cream.
Should we add a little bit more to get it ready and stuff?
Yeah.
Get ready for what?
To play more. Just a little. Just like, I'll tell you when to stop. That's enough. That's enough.
No, I like it.
Fact of the day, slime is weak to mouthwash.
Yes. Weak to mouthwash.
Because mouthwash, it ruins slime.
Ooh, I can see my hand.
Kinda.
Pop up slime some more while we wait.
Oh, finally. Oh, the bottom.
Glossy. There's still glossy at the bottom.
There actually is.
Yeah, look.
Sorry.
It's technical difficulties.
Did you hear that big slap?
No.
Everyone, listen to this. Ready? I'm just trying to. What's this? You ready? Wait, no, I need the straw.
Can you just not?
Aww. Look at that.
Yeah.
R.I.P. Please don't. Next bubble, please don't die.
Every single bubble's gonna die, Sabine.
I don't think it worked because we might have done it a little bit too fluffy.
So that's all we have for today.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.